And this is how Murphy annoys the daycare kids.
No.
Tell him, say, stay down.
Yeah.
Tell him.
No.
You get down, Murphy. Get down, Murphy. Look, he pushes her hand away.
No.
He doesn't want her to get the snacks. Tell him, get down, Murphy. He's so bad. Just a minute. That doggy's got bad manners. Now he wants your coat? He's so bad.
Daddy. Uh-oh. No.
Tell him, say, those are my Cheerios. Not yours, Murphy. Haha, you can't get them now. What are you going to do?
Go. Mom. No. No. No.
I don't know. It's like his paws get longer every time. It's far out of reach. I don't know how he's... Hey, Murphy. You stay off that table. Cammy, go tell Murphy. Say, get down.